If you're looking for silent wall clocks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 silent wall clocks. Number 1, most popular, by Hito. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Hippih. Number 3, by DreamSky. For more details about this great wall clocks, just click this circle. Number 4, by Hito. Number 5, by Magho. Find these silent wall clocks at up to 70% off by clicking the description below. Number 6, by Adalene. Number 7, by Björk Instruments. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Unity. Number 9, by Hippih. Discover more silent wall clocks ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.